Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make chicken salad like Subway Easy Method. Combine shredded cooked chicken with mayo, Greek yogurt, celery, onion, sweet pickle relish, salt, and pepper. Stir until creamy and even. Taste and adjust seasoning with a pinch of sugar or lemon juice. Chill the salad for at least 30 minutes to meld flavors. Serve on sandwich bread or atop greens for a fresh, satisfying meal. In this video, I will explain how to make chicken salad like Subway Easy Method. Start with cold ingredients and use a gentle folding motion to keep chicken chunky and appealing. If mixture seems dry, add reserved dressing teaspoon by teaspoon until you reach the desired creaminess. Taste again and tweak salt, pepper, or a squeeze of lemon. Serve immediately or refrigerate to let flavors settle for more depth. In this video, I will explain how to make chicken salad like Subway Easy Method. Quick pause to ask that if you're enjoying this guide, please subscribe and hit like. It really helps the channel. Quick recommendation. I've been enjoying a money book that sparks helpful thinking about saving and planning, a light nudge toward smarter choices. Check the description for the book link and other deals, then now let's get back to the video. In this video, I will explain how to make chicken salad like Subway Easy Method. Try flavor swaps like curry powder and raisins, diced apple or grapes, or fresh herbs such as dill or parsley to match your mood. You can replace some mayo with Greek yogurt to lower fat and boost tang. Small tweaks let you personalize texture and taste without changing the classic creamy base. Experiment and keep notes for your favorite version.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.